Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Sahir. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. अभी हो रहे हैं सुबह के 9 बजे and I thought of vlogging. So here I am and 2023 का ये पहला vlog है. So let me welcome you all as well to 2023, and so if you're new to the channel, welcome, and please do consider subscribing to my channel, and please make sure you like and comment. What was that? Okay, so whatever. This is the reason I don't vlog these days, because he does entertainment more than I do, and I kind of suck at it. Any which ways, welcome to my channel, and please do make sure you subscribe to it and like and comment. And comment karna ho to bhi kuch acha comment karna. Not that I don't want you guys to comment something bad, but it should be at least, you know, shouldn't be hurtful. Any which ways, I am starting my day right now. It's 9 in the morning. I'm waiting for my house help. My day. He's not gonna let me vlog, you guys, and today is a Sunday. I am going to start my day. I'm waiting for my house help. Start your day with the toothbrush. Not waiting for your house help. That is how I am. I'm still on my bed, by the way. I'm going to have my thyroid medication right now. This is the bottle. कुछ हो या ना हो, ब्रश भी किया हो या ना हो, पहले दवाई खानी पड़ती है, which I hate. Anywho, see what is happening in your guys' life. Do comment and let me know.
That's how I start my day, bro.
How's your new year going so far? Well, it's not even new year right now. We've passed 1 week, I suppose. And this is my new chashma, you guys. I got it from Lenskart. I didn't take you guys along, but I do like my chashma a lot. I feel this is much classier than my previous one, so I do really like it. Okay, so I have to wait half an hour before I can have anything, so I will see you guys in half an hour. Okay, half an hour ho gaya hai since I've had my medicine. So now I'm going to have the green tea from Laval brand, and I've been using this for quite some time. They sent it over to me, and I am really happy with it. So that's why I thought I will share it with you guys. Let me just open it. This is a very different green tea. This is how it is, and the best part is that you can carry this and have it on the go. What you do is just take one of the pills like this, one of them, and you drop it in. And it fizzes out. This is green apple flavored, and I really like it. I cannot drink aerated drinks when I'm outside, so if I want a refreshing drink and something healthy, this is really good because it's green tea plus it's apple flavored. So refresh ka refresh or health ka health dono bhi ho jata hai, which is a bomb.com thing. So I have two of these. One I have kept it in my bag and one I have it at home. So whenever I'm outside, I'm really tired, I can pop a tablet and not even feel guilty about it. So let me just have it. This is really tasty, you guys, and really refreshing. So do check out, and thank you Laval brand again for sending this over. And baki ki sare details I will add it in the description or in the site, so you can check it out. And then let me know in the comments if you've tried it out or if you want to try it out. Alright, I'll catch you in a minute. ओके मैं आपको सामने से भी दिखा देती हूँ। आपको 20 टैबलेट्स मिल जाएंगी एट 296 रुपीज़। इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस 549 लिखा है, बट अमेज़ोन पे 296 पे मिल जाएंगी। एंड आपको पैक ऑफ वन जो भी चाहिए वो मिल जाएगा। एंड दीज आर ग्रीन एप्पल एंड ज़ीरो शुगर है। तो आई रियली रियली लाइक इट। अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स। आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू आंसर। ग्रीन टी तो मैंने पी लिया है। आई एम गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग सैंडविचेस फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड ब्रेड आ गई है। आई विल मेक ब्रेकफास्ट then talk to you guys. I have to sort this one out. These are the clothes that I just got after wash, so I have to sort that out. And today's gonna be a little busy day since I have to go outside and run some errands. तो उसके लिए मेरा पूरा दिन आज जाएगा. तो I will take you guys along and try to shoot whatever I can, and I will add it in the vlog.
But I've ordered more than this.
We love shopping, right?
Oh, I love my Jeep. This is for my Jeep. Everything is for my Jeep. You have no idea. Oh, this is the 40-inch light bar. That's why.
Why do you need a 40-inch light bar in
Because
the
it's a Jeep. Everything is extreme in the Jeep. And this is 100 watts LED lights for the front, the two of them. And we've also got the fog lights as well. Okay. Just like the Audi one where you have the fog coming and the lights just spread, and the moment fog hits the lights, right? Okay, it basically cuts through the fog and it shows you the way. So these are that ones. I'm not gonna tell you which brand it is, but it's a costly brand.
Done.
Yeah, excited. Where is the knife?
ओके गाइज मैं थोड़ा सा रेडी हो गई हूँ। मैंने अपना होलिया ठीक किया है एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हेड आउट फॉर द वर्क। अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इज़ देयर। आई डोंट नो मैं कितना फिल्म कर पाऊँगी बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। आई विल कम एंड शो यू गाइज एवरीथिंग, बट व्हाटएवर आई कैन शूट आई विल डेफिनेटली शूट। सो लेट्स जस्ट हेड आउट। इट्स वेरी ग्लूमी, आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीज़न। घर में ग्लूमी है, बाहर नहीं है। I've applied a lip balm and that's it. I've combed my hair and that's it. We're going now and we'll finish the work and then come back and talk to you guys most probably, or if I can capture I will capture some things. Yes, let's go. तो हम लोग आ गए घर एंड मैं दिखाती हूँ सारी मम्मी की जो नाइटीज़ फिक्स करवानी थी वो करवा लिया. All of them are here and we also went to Decathlon. We bought some nonsense. Nothing was much required. एक चीज़ ज़रूरी थी, बाकी का हमने बेकार चीज़ें खरीदी हैं. एंड ये कलर्स पे भी गए थे, गो कलर्स पे. मेरी बहन को कुछ लेगिंग्स और पैंट्स चाहिए थी at this time. So that's what we did and now I have a lot of work. We've got lunch from outside and no, I didn't take the food and come. Okay, so we've got food from outside. We'll be having that and then I will get on to work. So I will show you guys a little bit of what we've got and then I will end the vlog over there. ओके I've tied my hair up. अब मैं थोड़ा सा मेकअप भी कर ली थी बिकॉज चलिए मुझे वीडियो शूट करना था ब्रांड के लिए विच आई हैड टू सेंड ओवर. तो उसकी एडिटिंग भी फिनिश कर दी है एंड अभी हो रहे हैं व्हाट्स द टाइम. अभी हो रहे हैं 4 बजे व्हेन आई जस्ट गॉट अ लिटिल बिट फ्री. भागते भागते बहुत टाइम लग गया था. पहले मैं आपको लेंस कार्ड से दिखा देती हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई बॉट दिस चश्मा विच आई फील लाइक लुक्स वेरी क्लासी. आई गॉट इट इन अ थिक फ्रेम बिकॉज आई ब्रेक देम वेरी वेरी ईजीली. सो आई गॉट अ वेरी थिक फ्रेम सो दैट आई डोंट ब्रेक इट, क्योंकि लास्ट वाला चश्मा वेंट थ्रू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई वोर इट फॉर 4 years and nothing happened. It's still intact and this one also had the similar thick frame just like this. So I just got it in the black. I love the rectangle ones, so I got this one because I wanted something simple, plain, basic, which looks really good and classy. So this is what I picked up and this is the box that they gave me with this. And I don't remember the prices of any of these, but let me just see the bills. So this one costed me 672 for the frame and for the lens, right? For the lens I paid around, उसके लिए I paid somewhere around 2,500 I suppose. So do the calculation, मुझे नहीं पता कितना होगा, but this is the first thing that I picked up. Second thing that I picked up is this. These are sunglasses, but the sunglasses that I picked up have power in them. So you know, I frequently travel in and about, and जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ, I don't like to wear lenses simply because मेरे eyes बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, and because of that I've got a lot of eye infections in the past, जिसकी वजह से I've stopped wearing lenses completely. This is how they look like. Again, I got the square frame because the oval shape is square frame sits so beautifully, and I really like them. And it's got this light green tint in the glass, but I can see the entire world. I am blind and I'm not able to see anything because मैं चश्मा निकाल देती हूँ, and I don't wear lenses right now, तो बहुत अजीब दिखता है. These are very basic aviators. I didn't buy the U-shaped one because मेरे U shape पे U looks, or and I have very high, you know, apples of the cheeks. Those sit very weirdly on my face. Like the second one that I picked up, it was any which was long due. I had to buy sunglasses with power in them. I don't know why I didn't do that early on, but this is how it looks like. The gold in it is also not that chatang wala gold that it hits in your face and looks very bad. This is very subtle gold, and I liked it. And they also gave the other frame which came in the glass. इस पे power नहीं है, तो in case I want to switch them up, I can always switch them up with the original ones. Anyways, this one I have to check and tell you. This one costed me around 2,898 rupees. Okay, ये vlog बहुत बड़ा हो रहा है, adjust कर लेना. The last thing that I will show you guys is what I bought from Decathlon. So first thing first, we picked this one up. This is a bag for men's, and this is for hiking वगैरह के लिए जो bag section में नहीं होता है. That is where we picked this one up. This I got it for my husband because he always makes me carry all of his saman in my handbag, and I hate to do that. So we got this one for him. It's waterproof as well, so you know, if I don't feel like carrying my handbag, this one we can carry for whenever we are traveling. And this was just priced at 899 rupees, which was really good for us. I really liked it. So the next thing that we picked alongside in the same hiking section in Decathlon was this one for 699 rupees. This is a travel wallet kind of a situation. इसमें बहुत सारे zips हैं, and दिस इज़ हाउ इट ओपन्स अप लाइक. तो यहाँ पे एक पाउच है, फिर यहाँ पे कार्ड होल्डर स्लॉट्स जैसे हैं, एंड यू हैव अ जिप हियर. सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट वन दैट वी परचेज, एंड दिस फिट्स इन दिस रियली परफेक्टली. तो ये दोनों सेम सेक्शन में ही थे, तो हमने पिक कर लिया. इवन दिस हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्लॉट्स. यहाँ पे भी एक जिप है, फिर अंदर में भी जिप है, अंदर में भी स्लॉट्स हैं, फिर पीछे में भी जिप है. तो इवन दो दिस लुक्स दिस टाइनी, but this holds out a lot. We bought it, and we also got these stands, like those water bottle stands for cycle. My husband needed it for the Jeep because he wants to keep his JBL speakers in it, and it needed a stand to hold the speaker so it doesn't fall off. तो वो अभी वो निकाल लिए हैं इसमें से, तो I don't have it here. This is the eye mask that I picked up. I know it looks like a bra, but it's the eye mask. This is such a soft one and such a nice one. It really cancels out the blackness, which I really liked about it. And I'm a very light sleeper, so I picked this one up. This is 599 rupees. So I picked this one up. I think there was some discount, and I think I paid 300 rupees ish for this one. I actually first picked this cap up because I don't have even one cap. I don't buy caps is because मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगती है, and जो cap का material होता है वो बहुत thick होता है, and I sweat a lot. So I bought this one because this is a very breathable fabric. As you can see, it gets squished. बहुत breathable, बहुत light और बहुत airy था, and that is why I picked this one up. And this is how it looks like. I know I have a bun right now, and it's looking little weird. Let me just, मेरा bun है ना, तो it's looking a little weird, but this is how it looks like. It sits perfectly on my face accordingly. This was priced at just 299 rupees. Then when I picked that one up, my husband wanted to pick one for himself, and this is how his one looks like. It's a very beautiful blue color, very soothing blue, and this is also priced at 299 rupees. Brand इस पे 4 class लिखा है, class इस पे 4 class इधर पे लिखा है, and mine one is written prominently on the side. The other two water bottle holders, he has taken it, one for his cycle and one for his Jeep. So he's taken it. All in all, we paid 2,315 rupees. I hope you guys like this haul vlog kind of a video, and if you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and bye. You know the drill.